All right, so before we move on to the next chapter, one other thing I want to do is get the property line. So if I zoom in here, I can see this line here is the property line, goes all the way around the site. So maybe we want to have that to stake out some corners if need be and know where to stay away from our property edges. Not in this case, not too bad because we're actually bounded by streets, but that's actually, if we look at the properties on this layer here, so kind of what I've done before, pretty easy. I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to create a new layer. And this one's going to be, again, because it's 2D, I'm going to call it my stake layer, and I'm just going to call it property line. We'll go ahead and assign a color to it. I like to use magenta. I'm going to make it real thick. I'm going to protect it, and I'm going to drop it in on that stakeout group that we have. I'm going to close, and now you can see I've got a real thick property line there. So I can use that in my going to use that in a couple future videos, and you'll show you how.